All right, we got here a Q6H 2.0 with the eye level, and where I'm about to replace the swing away. This right here will make the joystick swing away, as you can see. And I'm about to replace that. First thing you gotta do, make sure that the joystick is turned off. Okay. Now this lever right here, this is what tight the swing away, the joystick. Okay, see, so it doesn't move. You get that loose. Okay, perfect. So you can turn it to the side, and you notice right there it's holding the joystick mounting base right there. All you gotta do is grab your number 10 and then get that loose. One is down, go to the other side and get that one loose too. That one's out. All right, you can see this is what's hold the joystick in place on the swing away. You already got this loose. Take it away, grab your new one. Okay, I would break it down apart so you can see how it goes in there. Okay. Put your new swing away back in there. Okay. Tie them up. It's kind of like a push, let go, pull, in, out.
I guess I've been working on these things for 20 years now.
Now, if you notice, the base that is connected to the joystick have a hole cut out in there. That little bowl is what goes in there. See, like that? And this is what's holding together. If you notice, there is another cutout in here. See this cutout right here? It's just lay right there like that. Okay? And that will lay in the middle between the base and the joystick, just like that. Okay, I'm gonna loose this up for you guys so you can turn it to the side so you guys can see, have like a better view of how it will look like. See, the cutout go under and the joystick goes on top. Okay, you grab your screw, put them in there, turn it on, turn, and get that tight. Don't get it too tight, just get it some tight so it can stay in there, because you want to readjust it and put it on the other side. So turn it around again and then grab your other one and put them in there. Wait a minute, what's the washer? There's a washer in here. Turn. Not too tight because we want to reposition the joystick. See, might be able to have that movement because we need to reposition the joystick the way that the patient can drive it and feel comfortable when he's driving it. Okay, See, straight. When we got that, we adjust it. Then we tighten it down. And voila, new swing away installed. Just like that.